Alright guys, back at it with the tractors. Last video I did the rubber bands, rubber strips for the D. I got a new line for the crankcase right there, replaced it, but then I figured out this is actually John Deere's idea. I said put one of the flared ends on. They just put two rubber pieces right there on that end, and then the bolt just smushes it against it so the oil doesn't leak through. So that's that on that. I gotta order those still. Still waiting on the pony motor. It's been almost 2 months. Apparently they've been booked, which I'm kind of angry about because I already gave them like a big ass down deposit for it. They just dipped the motor and the head into the tank Friday. And then I was working this yesterday, and yeah, you can see that the rims off, tires off. So yeah, this is my the boo-boo that happened. I don't know how it did that. I guess it was just rusted underneath. And it broke. I'm like, oh my god. I was like, this thing can it get any worse? And then I was playing grass seed yesterday. The 3010 had a boo-boo too. As you can see the puddle right there. Turns out the main, or one of the bolts in the hydraulic pump, right there at the white stuff around it, that was just loose. I just started to dump hydraulic fluid all over the ground. So I'm like, great. And then find out more stuff about it. That piece is bent right there. These are just worn out. But this piece right here is bent. I don't know if I can get it on video of the bentness. See how it curves at the end? It's like straight with me. It goes off to the left. So yeah, I don't know. I guess you can kind of see right there. It goes up. So yeah. The nut kept on spinning it, so I took the main piece off of that, the actual steering little mechanism that were on these. Took that off and kind of cut it because the nut kept on spinning inside the shaft for the ball joint. So I don't think it's too bad. I think it's like 130 bucks for this piece, that piece, and the two other end pieces right there. But yeah, I gotta replace that. And then Monday I have a new rim coming for it. I'm just hoping these tires hold up. I don't want to buy tires for it yet. Probably maybe towards the end of the year I'll probably buy tires for it. But for right now, I need to get this fixed. I need to get that fixed. But I still think there's something wrong with the governor on the inside. Because when you idle it up, when you warm it up, it seems like you have it to here, right? Well, then it like sputters and it bogs down and it idles itself back up and then drops down drops back up. So I think it's the counterweights inside the governor housing. That's my opinion. I don't know what else it could be. I don't think it's the carburetor. I haven't taken the points off yet to make sure they're just not making a good spark, or the spark plugs need to be changed. So yeah, it's been a good and shitty day yesterday. So I really hope I was using this yesterday to need a good like warming up to the outside. Yeah, I ended up planting grass seed yesterday in the front field. With the grass seeder, but I went back over it twice. But I think I had the adjustments wrong, so that's why I went back over it again. But I ended up, this was fixed. It actually worked out pretty good, except for two of the tubes got clogged, and then one came out and pinched itself. So I ended up putting it in there. So, hopefully, within a couple of days, we'll see some grass seed pop up. So this wasn't even an acre, it said on the gauge. It was less than an acre. Yeah. So fun. Pretty much from the meantime is what I have done. So yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. I'll probably do a little video on the tire. I don't know if I'll do it today or tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. So it's probably gonna be a pain to get this out. If not, I'll probably just I don't know yet. I hate doing tires. I did this tire on the third time. Horrible. Ended up bending the rim a little bit. But this rim was trash anyway, because look, somebody welded on it. There's the thing there, right there. So, alright, that's it for this video. Peace out.